suffering from either a minor or minor, M-I-N-O-R, minor, suffering from either a minor, M-I-N-O-R, minor or serious illness, minor or serious, S-E-R-I-O-U-S, serious, S-E-R-I-O-U-S, serious illness, I-double-L-N-E-double-S, illness or injury, illness or injury, I-N-J-U-R-Y, injury, comma, with, W-I-T-H, with care provided, with care provided, C-A-R-E, care provided, P-R-O-V-I-D-E-D, with care provided, P-R-O-V-I-D-E-D, with care provided to preserve life, care provided to preserve, P-R-E-S-E-R-V-E, with care provided to preserve life, L-I-F-E, life, comma, preserve life, L-I-F-E, life, comma, prevent the condition, prevent, P-R-E-V-E-N-T, prevent the condition from worsening, prevent the condition from worsening, W-O-R-S-E-N-I-N-G, prevent the condition from worsening, comma, or to promote, P-R-O-M-O-T, promote recovery, R-E-C-O-V-E-R-Y, recovery, or to promote recovery, R-E-C-O-V-E-R-Y, recovery, full stop. Paragraph change kora. You write down first aid, comma, first aid, comma, however, comma, does not necessarily, does not, D-O-E-S, does not necessarily, N-E, C-E-S-S-A-R-I-L-Y, necessarily require, necessarily require, R-E-Q-U-I-R-E, require, necessarily require any particular equipment, any particular equipment, any particular equipment, E-Q-U-I-P-M-E-N-T, E-Q-U-I-P-M-E-N-T, equipment, or prior knowledge, or prior, P-R-I-O-R, prior, P-R-I-O-R, prior knowledge, K-N-O-W-L-E-D-G, K-N-O-W-L-E-D-G, knowledge, prior knowledge, K-N-O-W-L-E-D-G, knowledge, comma, and can involve, I-N-V-O-L-V, involve, and can involve improvisation, I-M-P-R-O-V-I-S-A-T-I-O-N, improvisation, improvisation, with, W-I-T-H, with materials available, with materials, M-A-T-E-R-I-A-L-S, materials available, A-V-A-I-L-A-B-L-E, available, at time, T-I-M-E, time, available at time, comma, often by, O-F-T-E-N, often by, O-F-T-E-N, often by untrained people, Often by untrained people. UNTRAINED, untrained people. Often by untrained people. POPLE people. Often by untrained people. Often by untrained people. Hmm? Huh? Yes, say. So what did you understand? That for, what do you mean by first aid? It is the immediate assistance given to any person, okay, given to a victim. For example, if you are having nosebleed, if you are having a nosebleed, okay, then what would you do? You don't need any training for that. You need, your first priority is, you will be giving a handkerchief to cover the nose to stop bleeding. You will ask the person to tilt his chin upwards so that the nose can go in, so that the nose bleed can, that bleeding can go inward, the blood can go inward. Understand? So these are the simple minor things that you can do. If there is a cut, if there is a cut in your finger, what would you do? You will allow the bleeding to go on, or you will try to stop the bleeding? Rinjumani?
Yes, ma'am.
If there is a cut, if there is a cut is it, okay, then what would you do?
Ma'am, we will try to cover it with a cloth
Yes.
or something.
Yeah, you will your first priority will be, you will try to stop the bleeding. Understand? For this you don't need any training. But if the condition is very serious, then only you will go for further assistance, like calling for the emergency help. You will take him quickly to the hospital. Okay, you will have to provide artificial respiration. Okay, and all these things will come later on, step by step. CPR, okay, cardiopulmonary resuscitation, all these things will come slowly. But first, in minor steps, what you can do as a person. Okay, you will have that common sense that what you have to do if any emergency took place, what would be your first priority. You just know about it. But for major conditions, or the condition is very bad, then you'll be taking him or her to the hospital. Okay, what is the emergency number? Anybody?
108.
Emergency number. Where do we call? Huh?
108 102.
Ambulance.
Or ambulance or number?
108.
Yes, please.
Ambulance.
108.
Yes, so you will call for the emergency ambulance, right? So these are the things
Yes.
that you should do. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So Etya, you just write down. This was the introduction. Okay, this was the introduction to first aid. Now likha definition. Definition. DEFINITION definition. Once when you come to class, okay, when we will meet face to face, at that time I will check all of your exercise. If I see that the notes are not there, then I won't give you internal marks. Okay, because I am also taking the trouble to dictate the notes to you. So tomorrow work I must say that you have to note it down properly. Okay, because in exam you will need these notes. Understand? So please write down the notes properly. Okay. Write down the definition. Write down below. First aid is defined as emergency care. Is defined as emergency care. 1 minute. Non-veg. Same non-veg খাবো হ্যাঁ এজনই আছে আজি দিব নেকি দাদা কি হয় ও আচ্ছা আচ্ছা Yeah, I'm so sorry, okay? Write down. First aid is defined as emergency care. emergency, emergency care given immediately to, I-M-M-E-D-I-A-T-E-L-Y, immediately to, given immediately to, I-M-M-E-D-I-A-T-E-L-Y, immediately to the sick or the sick. S-I-C is sick. Kotha pati asa. S-I-C is sick. Don't talk. Sick or
That's it.
sick. S-I-C is sick or injured. I-N-J-U-R-E-D. Injured. I-N-J-U-R-E-D. Injured person. P-E-R-S-O-N person. Injured person until full, until U-N-T-I-L, until full, F-U-L-L, full medical treatment is available. And kotha pati asa, don't talk please. Until full medical treatment is available. Until full medical treatment is available. Or at the top, you just write down in downward, means capital letters or. Are at the definition team. Means I'll give you one more definition. Okay, do the definition. Tolot you write down. Next paragraph. First aid refers to. Change the paragraph and write down. First aid refers to. First aid refers to the. First aid refers to the emergency or immediate care. To the emergency or immediate care. Emergency or immediate care provided. P-R-O-V-I-D-E-D, provided when a person. Provided when a person. P-E-R-S-O-N, person. Provided when a person is injured. When a person is injured, I-N-J-U-R-E-D, when a person is injured or ill, or ill, I-double-L, ill, injured or ill, until full, F-U-double-L, full medical treatment is available. Until full medical treatment is available. Until full, F-U-double-L, full medical treatment is available. Until full medical treatment is available. Tolot, change the paragraph and write down for minor conditions. For minor conditions. For minor, M-I-N-O-R, minor conditions. For minor conditions, comma, first aid care may be enough. First aid care may be enough. First aid care may be enough. Minor means what, Ishan?
The injuries which are not serious.
Yes. Change the paragraph. So for for minor conditions, if the condition is not very serious, okay, simple headache, simple cut, okay, so what you should do? If someone has drowning, you know what drowning? Drowning means Rajdeep.
Dubizwa.
Drowning means?
Dubizwa. Dubizwa.
Dubizwa, ma'am.
If someone has drowned, what would you do? Rifian Phale. Who's Rifian?
Yes, ma'am.
when someone gets drowned, okay, what would you do? Please turn on your video.
Artificial respiration.
Like how? How would you do that?
Mouth to mouth.
Okay, and simply what would you do?
Press the chest.
Yes. Because why would you press the chest?
Water will come out.
From the nose or mouth, right? Okay, so these are the simple things that you can do. So these are minor conditions. ठीक है? Now change the paragraph and write down for serious problems. For serious problems. For serious problems. For serious problems. Serious problems. Jodi, if the condition is very serious, okay? For serious condition problems, comma, first aid care should be continued. First aid care should be continued. First aid care should be continued until more advanced care is available. Until more advanced care is available. So if the condition is very serious, what would you do? You will call for the ambulance, okay, or the emergency aid. Artificial advanced care, in our advanced care will be your CPR, will be your ABC technique. ABC technique mane A mane airway, okay, B mane breathing, and C mane circulation. These are like you will have to go for proper training, okay, for giving ABC or for providing CPR. Okay, CPR is cardiopulmonary resuscitation. Okay, for all these things you will have to get proper training. Okay, even these days in malls and all, okay, in any kinds of malls, be it in the city center or anywhere, these days what happened, there is always a trained person. Even all those people who are standing there, the security guards or the people who are working there, the staffs, okay, in the malls, even they are also taught this CPR. Why they are taught? Because anytime there can be prevalence of any kind of emergency. Okay, if anything happens to any person, they would not just let the customer come and die there. Will they allow that? No. So they are being given training these days for all this CPR and ABC technique. Understand? So all these things will be taught to you in the next class. I will take classes on these topics. Okay. Okay.
কিছুমান শব্দ ভালকৈ বুজি নাপালো
Network is very bad. How is my network?
Fine. আপোনাৰ কিছুমান শব্দ ভালকৈ শুনা নাপালো
Oh. Kundu. I will do one thing, okay? I will give you the notes, I will give you the dictation, and then later I will just click the pictures and I will send it in your group. Then Saikini, you can write it down. If any word is missing. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
because network if my network is good, maybe your network is bad. If your network is bad, maybe my network is good.
আপুনি এই নোটখিনি গ্ৰুপত দি দিব মেম
ঠিক আছে সেইকাৰণে মই ক'লো যে you just make one এটা গ্ৰুপ বনোৱা first aid and PSM অকল আমাৰ সাবজেক্টৰ কাৰণে মোৰ সাবজেক্টৰ কাৰণে
ঠিক আছে মেম
নহলে বেলেগ ডিপাৰ্টমেন্টছ হলে বহুত প্ৰবলেম হৈ যায় ন
ওকে মেম
ওকে মেম ঠিক আছে মেম এতিয়া বনাই আপোনাক এড কৰি আছে মেম
মোক এড কৰিলে হ'ব
ঠিক আছে
আৰু लिखा सुन पर्पस ऑफ फर्स्ट एड पर्पस पर्पस ऑफ फर्स्ट एड PURPOSC PURPOSC पर्पस ऑफ फर्स्ट एड underline kora underline it then tolot you just below you write down the purpose of first aid the purpose of first aid includes the purpose of first aid includes INCLUDS includes tolot write down number 1 first point likha number 1 save the life of the victim save 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 the life of the victim save the life of the victim before the arrival of ARRIVAL arrival of a qualified 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 medical MEDICL medical expert 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 qualified medical expert full stop do number 2 second point likha number 2 lessen pain lessen 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 pain PAN pain lessen pain PAN pain number 3 help in early recovery help 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 in early 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 recovery 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 number 4 point likha prevent condition from worsening prevent 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 condition from worsening prevent condition 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 from worsening WORSTNING worsening so these are the purposes these 4 points are the purpose of first aid first is what you will have to save the victim okay unless you have called the ambulance or the medical aid you will have to be with the patient you will have to avoid overcrowding basic bhir bhar nahi okay overcrowding should be avoided number second is you will have to lessen weak okay you have to lessen the pain okay number third point is you will have to help in recovery and the last point is condition to to prevent from more worsening you have to help the patient you have to assist the patient or the victim okay so these are the purposes these 4 points are the purposes okay and one more thing is that in your Zoom app you please write down your real name okay for example Vivo 1606 ase aru Realme FI Realme X tenehole mane how will I write the names Realme X tomar naam hoy hai na how will I give attendance so please write down your correct names thik ase please write down your names properly otherwise how will I give you the attendance thik ase no okay then for today I will take only this many things okay the introduction definition and purposes of first aid in my next class we will talk about the early history and treatment okay and Sahidul you please mark your classmates you write down the names and give it to me
Okay, ma'am.
okay thank you
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
thank you
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.